Nearly 2 million years ago, a new lineage claimed the Earth. Homo erectus had arrived. But he brought a mystery with him. His body was no longer that of a beast. His teeth became smaller, and his brain began to expand. Biology screamed an invisible truth. The era of fire had begun. It wasn't magic, it was thermodynamics. Chewing raw roots was a sentence. 6 hours a day just to survive. But fire pre-digested the matter, releasing a surge of calories that the gut no longer needed. That energy saving was invested in the brain. The greatest investment in our history. But here, the great scientific dilemma is born. Biology says yes, but the stone remains silent. There are no traces of hearths 2 million years ago. Time is a ruthless eraser. Ashes are volatile, bones are scarce. Was it fire without a trace, or a trace lost to time? Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. The mystery remains buried in the Rift Valley. We travel through time and the map. Yuanmo, China, 1.7 million years ago. We find blackened bones, volcanic ash or hearth charcoal. Science debates the origin. Kubifora, Kenya, 1.5 million years ago. Sediments reddened by heat. The trail of a fire that never goes out. Evidence that whispers our story. Chesawanja, the turning point. Clay fired at 400 degrees. Too hot for a random fire. We began to forge the world. Biology and matter merged. Wrangham was right. We are children of the kitchen. The ghost has a face. Fire made us human. Because the saga is incessant.